two. Let's get this mic up a little bit more. Where the film at? I don't know if it's one here.
Turn the microphones up. Turn the microphones up.
1, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna change this shit. How y'all feel? How y'all feel? Look. I know some of y'all might be drunk and high and shit like that.
How you feel? How you smell?
A lot of y'all was hugging the bar and shit. Don't matter though.
Jersey's in the house.
Okay.
Brooklyn's in the house.
My name is Elder Sensei.
I'm saying one to 98 terror.
And that's DJ Chaos right there on the ones and twos.
Let's go, y'all. Come on.
Yeah.
Something about
What?
music.
And what?
It gets into my head.
Yeah.
Something about the music.
Artifacts.
Gets into my head.
And then you what?
Boom Squad goes on
and on.
Yeah. Something about the music. What? Come on, Dan. Come on.
Let's go.
I like to rip off mics and clock on dice that roll funny. Get blunted off somebody's whole money. Honey, beef for cheese.
Ease back.
Please keep that weave intact. Best believe the tape until you be back. Get the weed sacks relax. Fuck a flick from Blockbuster, I'ma touch ya. Proving who got the ball like Russia. Early neighborhood rap hood. But good could be, yes, no question.
Chain one.
Then let's start up the session. We can rap out till I black out. Check out how I rack out, talking backside. Talk it out loud when niggas crap out. Me, I want more G's in the LAPD. Even when they wrote reference from an 83. With each beats really 30 bad blocks. Analyze more spots than Matlock. Now I got this rapping shit on Padlock. The only half rock. My shit returns like resurrections and religion.
What?
Turn my mic up, I ain't bullshit.
One, took a 1, 2, 1, 2.
Come on.
One, took a 1, 1.
Turn the mic up.
One, took a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. One, took a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. One, took a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. One, took a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. One, took a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yo, L.
Go, get him. Start taking notes. Stating all quotes. Niggas can't see me doing optometrist scope. Open. On the rhythm MCs that's hardest. New Jerusalem. Artifacts be the artist. Main target. Rules who think they bringing the news. Who's this? Bigger than your busy box Chris.
As long as the boom squad is hearing me clear, there ain't another rapper here that's gonna G this year.
Yeah.
Lyric for lyric, we exhibit mass appeal.
Spitting real like every sermon.
Drunk off the boat like he was bourbon. Rolling them big Willie like
Suburban.
lasers make a wager, tape my blows up like a pager.
Nigga, wake up early.
Tell your girlie turn my tape up, wait up. Let me lace up the place like boots, big loot. The proceeds to rock like roots. I tear the roof off when I'm focused, take my boots off. I shoot from the lip to make your nose blow like Rudolph.
You saw.
So let me hit you off full of the hardness.
Artifact shit. We got the hard shit regardless. How y'all feel?
Brooklyn in
Before we go further, if it's supposed to be somebody over there holding the mics down, I don't know.
Yeah,
But
man.
I can hear, but can y'all hear it? Is it clear? It's clear? Ain't no monitors right here, so I can't tell. Oh,
Check.
okay. Now, for all the artifact peoples up in this motherfucker, put your hands up if you know where we coming from. Don't be afraid to participate with us. This shit is for you. PA's put this shit for y'all. So, on that note, everybody on this side right here, on the right, is going to be come on this side right here.
And everybody by the bar and to the left over here, y'all got to get down with the get down.
Now, we gotta be louder than them, so don't be afraid. Don't be fucking scared to make some goddamn noise, alright? This is for you.
This is a rap
We
video.
could be home with my kids playing the fucking PS3 right now, but we here. We here, so we gonna rock out. Y'all ready? Come on with the come on.
Get down with the get down.
Come on. Come on with the come on. Come on with the come on. Come on with the come on.
Get down with the get down.
Come on with the come on.
Yo, come on and get down with that artifact sound. We can't skip, again, the beats pound to pound. We're strolling through the industry, see we gotta beat the next shit. Got Kingston brothers ain't got it. In this rap shit, ain't no time for the dilly dally pally, no one match in the gasoline alley. Blew up mass spots. Kids was jealous for the blocks, but my shit never stops, just lick up on my pills.
Okay.
Styles we made, never fake, broke breaks in every crate. Old freestyles and dirty ass, copied over tapes. Notify that the artifacts never slide. My cruisers on stage, whack, we just played the back. Now the flip, different ripper, split you with the mixture. All crews, never been dudes, watch it before I get ya. Cause nowadays it's the ways of the underground, but they whack now. So,
Come on with the get down.
Come on with the come on.
Get down with the get down. Get down with the get down.
Let's go, let's go.
I transmit the factors over whackers with my camo blunts and matches. Other rappers try to catch us, but I roast them up for practice. So act like you knew when you be throwing your visit. I'm waiting and watching for you to fuck up your position. Man, listen, isn't this some shit for niggas' asses? When I flip the script balls and flick my Philly asses. That's the status of the rappers with the cabbage. Other crews can act savage. They all fall below average. My head naps is massive. I'm evil like Knievel. I'm diesel for the sequel. I'm a freaker for my people. Cigars like new cars represent one love like Nas. These rappers my job. Take the terror, drop the bomb on the move fakers. Now I'm stable making papers. They gon' beat no motherfuckers till they bread for over table and for able. To feed those who need, they gon' feed. For those out for greed,
Come on.
and get these.
Come on with the come on. Come on with the come on.
Down with the get.
Come on with the come on.
Down with the.
Come on with the come on.
Down with the get down.
yeah. Alright, New York.
You're
Act like, look, it's not about us, it's about this fucking hip hop shit right now, cause we've been doing this shit for a long time.
Mad time.
And we still here, and we still repping what the fuck we know best,
Yes, sir.
and that's this shit right here,
Yes, sir.
and it's this shit right here. Boom.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Alright, look. We're gonna play a game,
Can I tag on this?
But only, now listen, only when I point to you like this, only when I'm like this, what they gonna say, Chaos?
I ain't tripping.
Only when I point to you, you're gonna say what?
I ain't tripping.
What?
I ain't tripping.
What?
I ain't tripping.
Come on.
I ain't tripping.
Come on, don't be scared. What is it? Come on.
I ain't tripping.
Yeah, follow.
I ain't tripping.
Come on.
I ain't tripping.
Come on.
I ain't tripping.
Come on.
I ain't tripping.
Tripping. Popping off in black ride with slang editorial. Meaning never cause you when the loop becomes affordable. Audible pro, I smash lines into winery. Locked in the booth with the neighbors where you can find me. Tripping from days back, but now futuristic. 2012 but still thrilled with linguistics. Dwell underneath, in the thick of the beat. And pick up your feet, and waking from your slumber and sleep. Pummel the wheat, and spray the streets, sweepers in broad day. Spit it the hard way, like Cosby on an off day. Praise the door, together with the better contact. Always brand new, like a cat who ain't signed yet. Rhyme better shake like cardio in the gym. Heartless with the pen, regardless who you sin. Tim Tots and me, together we team. Fluid on steam, return to show you know the routine. Come on. What?
I ain't tripping.
Come on, Chaos, what is it?
I ain't tripping.
Yeah,
I ain't tripping.
on the left,
I ain't tripping.
in the middle,
I ain't tripping.
on the right, go, in the back, come on, go. They're like, what happened?
The golf is stash.
What happened?
The golf is
Look.
stash.
Y'all heard me right. Now, this dude right here, this is the reason why we fuck around. This is why we do what we do. You ready, sir?
Ready.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. The wind is right.
It's tame as it ever was.
let's go.
Wait.
Let's go. We're gonna do it again. Let's go. One. Oh!
What?
I missed my cue.
Dun, dun, dun.
Due to certain circumstances, I became
lyrical, analytical, with lyrical material, imperial rap, up in your stereo. Here we go. Another blackout recorded, don't believe it, this is how it's all supposed to be. Anti-social league is where I'm living, fucking five. You a nice guy, finish last, I'm a nice guy. Oh, wise guy, good fella, far from Fugazi, a problem with your shit, fuck you, pay me. Lately, I've been overdue for suckers, and it's time to pay the fight for fucking cipher. Niggas wanna fight it till you lighter. I do hyper for most, not the one for playing close. I got jokes, plus I'm easily provoked. What? I'm not one for cheesing for no reason, like some chicken head reefer. I stick my chest out like Queen Latifah. Oh! No matter what fuck you don't follow. Yeah. We'll leave you toothless. Okay. Oh, we go. We go. We go. As far as rap's concerned, when my back was turned, you try kicking it in, and I spit it to when you getting burnt. I'ma roast you like a toast in your honor, drama personified. Rhymes of mine, made today, this night live. The Black John Belushi, groupies say responsible for more little G's than Gucci. I'm raw like sushi, genuine like the singer. Guaranteed at least 2 fights to show like Jerry Springer. Let's get dirty. Early, tighter than Ernie and Bert. For y'all thinking that Jersey was just a shirt. I'm the 973 MC veteran weatherman, hotter than I've ever been, still rocking intelligent. Diligent. Magnificent. This my cue and
Yo, y'all rocking out with the artifacts right now, make some noise.
How you feeling? How you feeling? Fuck that. How you feel? You high?
how you look, how you feel, how you
Y'all ain't high, man. Y'all ain't smoking no bud. Y'all ain't smoking no weed.
This song right here goes out to all the graph writers, all the MCs, and all the DJs. If you got skills, we want to know where your skills at.
Alright, look. Today, oh shit. That's good, that's crazy. I had to put it in the air, bro. I see. Now, we're gonna show y'all what this skill shit is like. For the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Artifacts,
Need effect in this MC fest.
Any intentions we here to mention.
We the fresh, North Bailey.
Hello, King, bring
To your Walkman, check out how we talk and sing.
bringing that
Sing, lyrical Jack King, Matt King,
Also called cypher rapper niggas. I'm
Smack King,
but this is what I hurt like
Henry Thomas,
And if I make the
Whack Jam, to me, bring it back.
get it.
corner
Bring it back. Stop. We're gonna bring that shit back. Hold up. We're gonna bring that shit all the way back. Hold up. Just to make sure y'all paying attention, because I know that shit is there. I know it's there. That's me. Y'all see what's going on, right? Smell that shit? Come on, guys.
Let's go, artifacts.
It is MC Fest. Fresh. Didn't intention, we in the mission, we the fresh. Blue Gators, Polo King, bringing the zinc to your Walkman. Check out how we talk and sing. Bringing that thing, typical Jack King, Smack King. Also called cypher rapper niggas of Smack King. No trick for this and drink that hurt like Frank Thomas. To never make a rap jam, to up here the promise. Tell me, yeah, niggas going to have to respect what we're bringing to the table. Check my dialect, alphabet, tongue, wax, tongue. Then give me the news as we can. Take a whole block, we put that ass on back in. Stop me roomy, fake niggas get fooled because I'm a fly brown brother and you can't slow it. Too big, always up before MC to be starting. Up shit, yeah, fuck with his rap sergeant. Buffin', talk about nothing in back. These crews be whacked, so may your ass. Where your skills at? Yo, you know the deal with the lyrics ain't real, the artifacts don't feel that. Yo, you know the deal with the lyrics ain't real, the artifacts don't feel
MCs, where
that.
your skills at?
Yo, you know the deal with the lyrics ain't real, the artifacts don't feel that. Yeah, team 1.
Hold on, let's go.
We got the lip service and the press control. Artifact up in this bitch with the night of my soul. Lip service, press control.
Come on, boys.
Watch out.
Don't look down for my sound house the pound. Over those 2 sound valves, with my shit tight like White Owl. Don't get it twisted, my rhythm rips up your system intersection. That's when I run obsession in your section. With EJ fit, my Philly split with all my naps out. Battle plan back, that over track, the MP slaps out. My lyrical data Practice how I get like Skelly. Rock my mellow like a Fonzarelli. Just like you're ready for action. Who is it? The naughty-headed dope niggas. He want new dirty journalists. I never hold my answers pages on a payphone or central. After smoking ounces in a ritual. I'm all last like Flash. Crash when I show up. I blow up like chicken pox. The spot niggas throw up. Lip service in the birth control. All the facts in the house with the dynamite soul. Lip service in the birth control. All the facts in the house with the dynamite soul. Boom.
And you know what? And it goes on, and it goes on.